Hi, I'm Angelina. I'm a mother and an educator, and I'm here to talk about food waste, why it's an issue, and what we can do with our families to reduce food waste at home. I'll be walking you through a fridge clean out to see if my family is wasting food and look at reasons why. Did you know that 40% of food in the US goes to waste, and almost half of that comes from households? Wasting food also wastes valuable resources. Reducing food waste is the #1 thing you can do to reduce climate impact. On average, a family of 4 spends over $1,500 per year on food that is ultimately not eaten. Let's face it, despite our best intentions, we all waste food. Recognizing that and seeing what food is wasted is the first step. Confession. Some of us are like, hey, I compost my uneaten food, but the fact is, all those valuable resources like water and energy to help grow that food and transport that food to you and your family also gets wasted when you don't eat the food. Here's some things that will make it easier for you to collect and compost. A tub's super helpful to collect food items as you're taking them out of the fridge, and you'll want a paper grocery bag or compost pail handy if you have to compost later. So now I'm gonna go through the refrigerator from top to bottom and pull out any food or condiments that I know me or my family won't eat anymore. Wilted lettuce, makes sense. We ate out a lot last week. Science experiment, AKA meant to eat the leftover chili and forgot about it. And this is a leftover. My son has big eyes at the restaurant and ordered too much, and now it's wasted. So now I'm gonna take all the food out of its packaging and put it in the compost bin. And then I'm gonna take the liquids and pour them down the drain. Since my fridge reality check, I've made some changes on how I shop, how I store food, and my family's been working really hard to eat our leftovers, and I've also had some family fun trying to reinvent our leftovers. We've reduced the amount of food we've been wasting, and I feel pretty good about it. Now it's your turn. Visit stopfoodwaste.org and take the challenge.